Cool.
The next word we're gonna learn is blue, 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 blue.
Blue is the color of the sky on a sunny day. Blue is the color of the ocean so deep. Blue is the color of my favorite jeans I wear to play. Blue is the color of a blueberry I eat for snacks. Blue is the color of the pool where I swim.
Blue, 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 blue. The next word we're gonna learn is purple, 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 purple.
Purple is the color of grapes I'd pop in my mouth. Purple is the color of my favorite backpack for school. Purple is the color of my mom's lavender in the garden. Purple is the color of our eggplant growing on the vine. Purple is the color of a starfish living in the Pacific Ocean. Purple, 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 purple.
The next word we're gonna learn is
Yellow,
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 yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun shining bright in the sky.
la 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 la.
Yellow is the color of a banana I peel.
La 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 la.
Yellow is the color of the school bus that takes me to school.
Yellow,
Yellow is the color of a lemon that tastes so sour.
yellow,
Yellow is the color of the sunflower waving in the wind.
yellow, yellow,
Yellow,
yellow.
yellow.
Blink break. Blink break. Blink break.
the next word we're gonna learn is
Red, 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 red.
Red is the color of a juicy apple so sweet. Red is the color of a fire truck racing down the street. Red is the color of my shiny balloon floating high and neat. Red is the color of a stop sign standing tall and complete. Red is the color of a big bouncy ball that rolls to my feet. Red.
Red, 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 red.
The next word we're gonna learn is white.
White,
White.
white.
White is the color of the snow that falls and makes me smile. White is the color of the milk I drink with my cookies. White is the color of the clouds floating high in the sky. White is the color of the bunny that hops so soft and quick. White is the color of the paper where I draw my big pictures. White,
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 white.
white. The next word we're gonna learn is brown, 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 brown. Brown is the color of the chocolate I eat for a treat. Brown is the color of the dirt where I, Steve the Earthworm, lives. Brown is the color of my teddy bear I hug every night. Brown is the color of the wooden blocks I build tall towers with. Brown is the color of the crunchy toast I spread with strawberry jelly. Brown, 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 brown.
Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out. Wiggle it out.
The next word we're gonna learn is
Green, 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 green.
green. Green is the color of the grass where we run and play.
Green is the color of the leaves.
On the tall trees.
Green is the color of a frog that jumps so high.
Green is the color of broccoli I eat for dinner.
Green is the color of my alligator named Ben.
Green.
Green, 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 green.
The next word we're gonna learn is black.
Black,
Black.
black.
Black. Black is the color of the night sky full of twinkling stars. Black is the color of my furry cat that purrs so loud. Black is the color of the tires on my bike that go zoom. Black is the color of the piano keys I love to play. Black is the color of the ants marching away.
Black,
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 black.
black. The next word we're gonna learn is orange. Orange, orange, orange. Orange is the color of the juicy fruit I peel and eat. Orange is the color of a carrot I crunch for snack. Orange is the color of the big pumpkin on the porch I carved for Halloween. Orange is the color of my goldfish swimming in the bowl. Orange is the color of the sunset when the day is done. Orange, 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 orange.
Stand up and move around. Stand up and move around.
The next word we're gonna learn is pink.
Pink,
Pink,
pink.
pink. Pink is the color of me, Steve the Earthworm. Pink is the color of bubble gum I chew and blow big bubbles. Pink is the color of the flamingo standing tall on one leg. Pink is the color of the flowers in my mom's garden. Pink is the color of my sister's tutu. Pink,
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 pink.
pink. The next word we're gonna learn is gray. Gray, gray, gray. Gray is the color of the elephant swinging its trunk. Gray is the color of the rocks I stack into a tower. Gray is the color of the rainy clouds before it pours. Gray is the color of my cozy socks I wear on cold days. Gray is the color of the mouse that scurries across the floor.
Gray, 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 gray.
Gray. That's the end. Hit the subscribe button for more awesome songs and learning videos.